Hello, my dear students. Welcome again in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, today we are going to read a very important topic of word power, that is antonyms. Students, we all know that what is antonyms. Antonyms are also known as opposite words. So what is antonyms, student? A word that means the opposite of another word. The opposite of another word. It is called antonyms. For example, students, pleasant, the opposite of pleasant is unpleasant. Possible, the opposite of possible is impossible. So here, student, we have got that pleasant and unpleasant. Here unpleasant is the opposite, and here there is prefix is with un, and that's why it is antonyms. So here we got that when we add some suffix or prefix to any word, to a word, that it becomes antonyms. Now students, there are three ways of making antonyms. So what are the three ways? Number one, by adding prefix to the word. For example, pleasant. Prefix, student, we all know that what is prefix. Suppose that here un, im, dish, un, these are what? These are prefix that comes before the word to make a new word. So here student, pleasant, and how it become the unpleasant is what? Unpleasant is antonym of pleasant. Why? Because here we add the prefix un. Possible, we add the prefix im, and it becomes impossible, and it is the antonym of possible. Pleased, displeased. Here what is this? This is the prefix. Known, unknown. What is un here? Un is the prefix here. So it is unknown. Unknown is the antonym of known. So student, here with the first rule we got here that by adding prefix to a word we can change a word into antonyms. It means that we can make antonyms by adding prefix to a word. Now second one, students, by changing the suffix and prefix of the word. By changing the suffix and the prefix of the word. For example, student, hopeful. Here full is the suffix. So we can change the suffix here less, and it becomes what? It becomes hopeless. So hopeful and opposite is hopeless. Now next one, careless, careful. Here again less is the suffix and here full is the suffix. Inhale and exhale. Here student, in is the prefix and here x is the prefix. So here inhale and exhale, what are they? They are the antonyms of each other. Now the next word, by new word. Students, some antonyms they don't follow any some word they don't follow any rule, but they change a new word for making antonyms. For example, good, bad, ugly, beautiful, above, below, oral, written, negative, positive. Now next one, students, here there are the list of 100 antonyms before you. So now next one, student, first of all we will read the word and after that we will read the antonyms. So first, ability, incompetence. Above, below, accept, reject, acknowledge, deny, acquit, convict, advance, retreat, advantage, disadvantage. Now the next word, adversity, prosperity, affirm, deny, agree, differ, agreeable, disagreeable, allow, disallow, always, never, all, none, angel, devil, ancient, modern, appear, disappear. Now next one, students, arrival, departure, ascent, descent, attach, detach, attack, attract, repel, attack, defend, armament, disarmament, ample, merged, activity, passivity, eyes, nose. Bad, good. Now the next one, students. Barbarous, civilized. Barren, fertile. Beautiful, ugly. Beginning, end. Belief, disbelief. Benevolence, malevolence. Bitter, sweet. Blushing, curse. Blunt, sharp. Bold, timid. So student, here these are the antonyms. Now the next one, bottom, top. Bravery, cowardice. Bright, dull. Broad, narrow. Buy, shell. Care, neglect. Cause, effect. Cheap, dear. Cheerful, cheerless. Civil, uncivil. Now the next one, students. Classicism, romanticism. Clear, clean, dirty. Clever, stupid. Cold, hot. Come, go. Comedy, tragedy. Common, rare. Condemn, approve. Confess, deny. Now the next one, students. Confidence, diffidence. Consent, dissent. Considerable, disconsiderable. Inconsiderable. Create, destroy. Credit, cash. Crude, refined. Cruel, kind. Life, death. Debtor, creditor. Decent, indecent. Now decision, indecision. Decided, undecided. Deep, shallow. Defendant, plaintiff. Defensive, offensive. Dependent, independent. Deposit, withdraw. Destructive, constructive. Difficult, easy. Diligent, idle. Diminish, increase. Now next one, students. Disease, health. Domestic, wild. Dry, wet. Do, undo. Ebb, flow. Early, late. Empty, full. Employment, unemployment. Encourage, discourage. Entrance, exit. Evil, good. Now next one, students. Exclude, include. Interior, exterior, interior. Extraordinary, ordinary. Experienced, inexperienced. Extravagant, economical. Exhaustible, exhaustible, inexhaustible. Examiner, examinee. Failure, success. Fair, unfair. Faithful, faithless. Fall, rise. Falsehood, truth. So student, here there are the list of 100 antonyms. So in this video lecture, student, we have got 100 antonyms, the list of 100 antonyms. In the next video lecture, I will come with another 100 antonyms. So keep watching my videos, students. Like it, share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.